In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are directing us to specify which plant tissue is taken for executing plant tissue culture technique to get virus-free healthy plant. For this, we need to avoid the wrong option to specify the correct statement after understanding the meristematic cell existing zone. In the given picture, the apical meristem is existing at the shoot tip. Intercalary meristem is present exactly in the middle segment, unlike lateral meristem. Lateral meristem is responsible for the axillary bud development, whereas the apical meristem is responsible for the apical tissue development in the sense for making the apical flower. With this specification, we are illustrating the meristematic location in the root as well. In the root, basically, we are observing the apical meristem beside the root cap. With this specification, we are choosing option C as a correct answer. Why? Because both apical and axillary meristem are having high resistance credential against the virus. So we are choosing option C as a correct answer to secure 4 mark after avoiding option A, B and D. What are the points we told with this pictorial representation? We are giving as a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes to obtain virus-free healthy plant from a diseased one by a tissue culture technique. Both apical and axillary meristem of the diseased plant will be taken. Plant tissue culture technique is used to maintain or grow plant cell, tissue or organ under sterile condition or a nutrition medium of known composition. Plant tissue culture technique is widely used to produce clones of plant in a method known as micropropagation. With this specification, we choose option C as a correct answer to secure 4 mark.